Okay, so the next question is question number 4. We have done till question number 3rd. This is question number 4th, verify. We are going to do the third part. Verify means, question is verify, minus 8 plus minus 11 upon minus 12 is equal to minus 11 upon minus 12 plus minus 8. Verify means I have to check whether this side I called left hand side is equal to this I called right hand side. Okay, I have to check whether this left hand side and right hand side, whatever the answer will come of the left hand side, whatever the answer will come of the right hand side, whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, then it is verified. If it is not equal, then it is not verified. Okay, so how we are going to do? First of all, we are going to write here LHS, that is left hand side, minus 8 plus minus 11 upon minus 12. Minus will be cancelled by minus. This becomes minus 8 plus 11 upon 12. We'll take the LCM of 1 and 12, that is 12. 1 12s are 12, 12 8s are 96. Then plus 12 1s are 1, 11s are 11. Plus minus minus. So 96 minus 11 will be your 85. So this is 85 upon 12. Now the greater one is having minus sign, so here it will come minus 85 upon 12. This is your left hand side. We have solved left hand side part, so this is your left hand side. Then we will come to RHS, right hand side. That is minus 11 upon minus 12 plus minus 8. Again minus will be cancelled by minus. 11 upon 12 plus minus is minus 8. We'll take the LCM. 11 minus 96 plus minus is minus. So the final answer is minus 85 upon 12. Now if I see left hand side answer is coming equal to right hand side, right? Both the answers are coming equal. After this you are going to write left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. That means we have finally verified it. You are going to write this complete step. We got the answer of left hand side minus 85 upon 12. We got the answer of right hand side minus 85 upon 12. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. This was question number 4, third part. Next we come to question number 5. Question number 5 is again verify. We are doing the second part. Minus 20 plus 3 upon minus 5 plus minus 7 upon minus 10 is equal to minus 20 plus 3 upon minus 5 plus minus 7 upon minus 10. We have to verify this. If I see this is associative property, adding this to first, then this, adding first to first, then this. This is similar to associative property. Again we are going to do the same thing. This is left hand side and this side it is right hand side. We'll take LHS minus 20 plus 3 upon minus 5 plus minus 7 upon minus 10. This minus and minus will get cancelled. Minus 20 plus 3 upon minus 5 plus 7 upon 10. This 3 upon minus 5 may minus will come to the numerator. We can write this in this way. This minus will go to the numerator. Minus 20 plus LCM will be 10. 5 2s are 10, 2 3s are 6. This is minus 6. 10 ones are 10, 1 sevens are 7. Right? Then minus 20 plus minus minus. 7 minus 6 is 1. Again we are going to take the LCM. This is minus 200 plus 1 plus minus minus. So this becomes minus 199 by 10. 200 minus 1 is 199. 200 is having negative sign. So here it will come minus. So this is minus 199 upon 10. This is for LHS, left hand side. Alright, now we are going to solve the right hand side. And we will see if the answers are coming equal or not. Let us come to right hand side. RHS. What is RHS? Minus 20 plus 3 upon minus 5 plus minus 7 upon minus 10. Again this minus will get cancelled. This is minus 20. This minus will come to the numerator. We are going to take the LCM here. 5 minus 100 plus minus 3. As I told you, the second one can be kept in the bracket. 7 upon 10. Coming further, minus 100. This is minus 100. Plus minus minus. So minus 3 upon 5. And here we have plus 7 upon 10. Again, minus minus. Plus, so this becomes minus 103 upon 5 plus 7 upon 10. We'll take the LCM again. 10. 5 2s are 10. So 2 into 103 will be 206. Minus 206 plus 7. Plus minus minus. So the answer will be 206 minus 7. That is 199. And the greater one is having negative sign, so minus will come here. Our RHS is minus 199 upon 10. Left hand side and right hand side are coming same. Left hand side भी यही आ रही है, right hand side भी यही आ रही है. So that means LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. This is how we verify the question. First we have solved left hand side, then we have solved right hand side, and we got the answer same, that means LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Alright? We'll come to question number 6 then. Question number 6 is, find the additive inverse. We'll do the fourth part, that is minus 15 upon minus 11. We have to find the additive inverse. First of all, this minus can be cancelled by minus, so my number changes to 15 upon 11. Now this is positive, or positive additive inverse will be negative. So additive inverse is minus 15 upon 11. Then we will come to 7th part. 8 upon minus 29. This can be written as minus 8 upon 29. What will be the additive inverse? We simply know additive inverse is we change the sign. Positive को negative में, negative को positive में. So it is 8 upon 29. So additive inverse is 8 upon 29. Alright. After this will come in the next session. In the next video, I'll tell you the other questions, that is after this next question. Okay. So till now you do till here. Next video will be uploaded on Tuesday. So on Tuesday we will continue with this part, 7th question.